Imagine waking up one morning, looking into the sky, and realizing the moon is gone. Not hidden behind clouds, not dimmed by a shadow, just missing. For billions of years, the moon has circled Earth, a silent companion tugging at oceans, lighting up the night, and stabilizing the very balance of our world. But what if, just for one day, it vanished? At first, most people wouldn't notice. It's daytime. The sun still rises. The sky is still blue. Life seems normal. But subtle, invisible changes begin immediately. The tides, which ebb and flow with lunar gravity, begin to behave strangely. High tides are lower. Low tides are not so low. Coastal ecosystems, which depend on precise rhythms, feel the shift. Crabs don't know when to scuttle. Coral reefs time their spawning wrong. Whales sing to currents that no longer move as expected. As Earth rotates, night falls, and that's when humans start to feel it. The stars seem sharper, colder. But where the moon should hang, glowing gently, casting silver shadows, there's nothing, just black. People post about it online. Some panic. Is it a hoax, an eclipse, a cosmic trick? Astronomers confirm the impossible. The moon is gone. With no moon, our planet becomes louder. Normally, moonlight muffles the stars and dims the heavens. Without it, cities feel darker, but the sky itself glows with countless pinpricks of starlight. The Milky Way becomes a highway of light overhead. Amateur stargazers rejoice, but others feel unease, as if a piece of the sky has been torn away. By midnight, animals begin acting out of sync. Wolves don't howl. Sea turtles, which rely on moonlight to navigate beaches, crawl in confused circles. Insects swarm in unusual patterns. Nocturnal predators struggle to hunt. Farmers who depend on lunar calendars to plant or harvest watch the sky in disbelief. Ancient instincts begin to stir, a deep human discomfort at the missing face that has watched over every generation before us. But there's a bigger problem brewing, one we can't see, not in one night, but it begins now. The moon isn't just decoration. It keeps Earth's axis stable. Without it, our planet begins a slow wobble. Nothing catastrophic in one day, but a hint of the chaos that would unfold if the moon never returned. Weather patterns would shift, seasons would warp. Over time, Earth could tilt wildly, baking one hemisphere and freezing the other. Meanwhile, the oceans are still trying to adjust. Without the moon's constant gravitational pull, the sun alone drives tidal motion, but far less powerfully. Ports report strange tides. In some places, the water doesn't rise at all. In others, it sloshes unnaturally, confused by the sudden change. Underwater life begins to panic. Species that rely on rhythmic pressure changes, like squid and plankton, start to behave erratically. At the human level, sleep patterns subtly shift. Some people find it harder to sleep. Research shows moonlight affects our circadian rhythms more than we realize. Night shift workers grow anxious. Folklore resurfaces. Is this an omen? Religious groups, mystics, conspiracy theorists all flood the internet with theories. Was the moon stolen? Is it a message or a prelude? And then, just before the next dawn, it returns. Without warning, the moon reappears in the sky, right where it should be. Astronomers scan for evidence of what happened. No explosions, no debris, no clues. It's as if it was never gone. Tides begin to normalize. Animals slowly return to their routines. Humanity breathes a sigh of relief, though the unease lingers. The event leaves scars, not on the planet but in our perception. We always thought the moon would be there, constant, dependable, but one day without it reminds us how delicately Earth is balanced, how much we take for granted. For one night, we were without our ancient companion, the one that pulls the seas, steadies our spin, and brightens our darkest hours. And when it came back, we looked up with new eyes, not just at the moon, but at everything we thought we understood about the sky. Because now we know, even something that's always been there might one day vanish.